Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to measure the voltage within the simulide. So for it, first of all we need to go to our components and then we will go for our lamp component. So now we got our incandescent lamp. And now we will drag it out like this. And after this has been done, we will go and we will take our battery. So this is our battery, drag it out like this. Okay. Now we will take one switch. So this switch. Okay, so this is our push switch. Okay, now we can connect our battery to our incandescent lamp. And this. Okay, so whenever we will connect our switch or we can press our switch, our lamp will become on. But how we can measure the voltages around it? We will go and we will take voltmeter. But first we will run it out and we will see that either it is running properly or not. Now you can see that our lamp is on. We will go and we will take our voltmeter. And one more thing, that we have to connect our voltmeter in such a way that, okay, like this, so that it must be in parallel with the component around which you want to measure the voltages. So here it is. So you can see that one side of the lamp is connected with one end of the voltmeter and the other side or other end of the lamp with the other end of the voltmeter. Now we run it out and we can see that we got 0.00 volts on the voltmeter. Now we will run it out and here now we got our voltages are 4.998. Okay, so in this way we can measure the voltages around any other component within the simulide. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.